Okay, I want to show you I'm making my family dinner tonight, and I am making scrambled tofu. I started with an egg, or not an egg, onion, a yellow onion, and a red bell pepper, and I'm sauteing it in some earth balance. You could use water or oil. I'm using earth balance. And I'm just going to saute these till they kind of caramelize a little, soften. And then I'll add my tofu. It's real fast and easy. So we're just going to cook here. Okay, now I have 2 bricks of extra firm tofu. And you can take a fork, or you can just take and just crumble it up. It'll resemble scrambled tofu. Just crumble up the whole thing, and then you're going to add this to your sauteed vegetables. Okay, it's all crumbled up, and I'm just going to add it to my bell pepper and onion. Sorry, I only have one hand here. And then I'm going to add my spices. I'm going to mix it up. I have about 1.5 tablespoons of Bragg's liquid amino. You can use tamari, or you could use coconut aminos, any one that you want. I have about 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, about 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning. It's a fake vegetarian chicken seasoning. 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric. That gives it the yellow. 1 tablespoon of dried parsley. 1 tablespoon of onion powder. And I have about 1/2 teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt. And that's it. And just let this cook for a few minutes and heat up, and it's done. It'll get, the more you stir it, it'll get a little bit yellower. And there it is. Scrambled tofu. Hope you enjoy it. Have a good day. Bye-bye.